Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard maple candy, only ways. Boil pure maple syrup to about 250 degrees F on medium heat, watching closely until it reaches the firm ball stage. Meanwhile, butter a marble slab or silicone mat and prep a heat-proof spatula and spatula rest. Pour syrup in steady stream, let it cool slightly, then score or pull until glossy and firm. Cool fully before cutting and enjoying. Begin by measuring 2 cups of maple syrup and using a heavy saucepan for even heat. Bring syrup to a simmer, skim foam, then clip on a candy thermometer and raise heat steadily to about 250 degrees F. Avoid stirring once it nears temperature to prevent crystal formation. When a small drop in cold water forms a firm ball, remove from heat, pour onto a buttered marble or silicone mat, and leave to cool slightly before shaping. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tricks. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, pairs oddly well with making treats and thinking about sweet returns. Check the description for the link and other deals mentioned here. Grab it if you want a fun read. Now let's get back to the video. After pouring the hot syrup onto the prepared slab, let it sit until it cools enough to be handled but remains pliable. Use a buttered bench scraper or knife to score or cut the candy into pieces of the size you prefer. If you like a glossy finish, quickly pull the candy once it firms slightly. Allow pieces to finish cooling completely before storing in an airtight container to keep them crisp and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.